Everybody, it's Cateretta here. So for today's video, samahan niyo akong himatayin. Charos, sobrang init sa Dubai. Ganito maglagay ng balance sa Dubai. Yeah. Not sure, but very soon. Amazing. 57. Everybody, it's Cateretta here. So for today's video, let's go. Come with me as I'm gonna be taking you somewhere. Na more na naman akong story. I'm gonna take you somewhere na because the last time remember na we did something na expensive, social, and mga ganyan. But for today's video, dadaling ko kayo sa something affordable. Magpo-food trip tayo for tonight's video, and I'm gonna share you like a lot of stories when I first arrived in Dubai. Actually, if you wanna go here, the best time to go talaga is winter. So this is another Buwis Buhay vlog because for today's video, it is 40 degrees. So, good luck. But still, I'm gonna take you because I wanna show you this place. Like a lot of murang food here. And it's called Labor Community Market in Al Quoz. Oh, once again, everybody, this is how the metro station looks like here in Dubai. Ganon. And also, before we start this video, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification button on para naman tuloy-tuloy ang ating vlogging. So, let's go, let's do it. Everybody, good afternoon from me, Cateretta here. So for today, good luck po pala ako si Mama Mary. Good afternoon. Yes. Alam niyo na may mga pabakpak na naman ako. Pag itong mga ginagawa ko, alam niyo na bugbugan na naman itong vlog na to. Pagudan, ganun. Hoy, the train is arriving. Oh, ayan na. I'm really sharing you the full experience of doing commute here in Dubai, ha. Full experience talaga to. Malayo-layo yung pupuntahan, pero feeling ko nakatayo kami. But that's okay. Ang buhay ng Kristiyano ay masayang tunay. Nice meeting you. Sige. Anong pangalan ko? Cateretta. Tito naman. Thank you. Nice meeting you. What's your name, ate?
Hana.
Saan punta?
Ano po?
Tita naman. Charas. Ay, MOE. Bakit? Work?
Ano po sa Maynila?
المحطة الأخيرة
Good luck.
لهذا القطار.
Fresh. Thank you. Ay, isa pa. May bayad na yung pangalawa. Joke lang. Charas lang. Go na. Open your video. Someone wants to say hi to you. She knows you.
Hello! How are you?
المحطة الأخيرة لهذا القطار.
Ayun yung blue-green yung mata.
الإمارات المتحدة للطيران.
Madilim man. Oh, ayan na. Oh, hello. Oh, ayan. Nice meeting you ka na.
Youth station is World Trade Center.
Ay, may ginagawa. Taray naman talaga. Oh my God. A lots of memories I remember. Grabe. For some people, Dubai is just like a place to meet pasyal. For someone who lives and works here for 5 years,
المحطة القادمة
kada
هي
kanto,
المركز
it's a
التجاري
lot.
العالمي.
Hoy, everybody, alam nyo ba? This Toyota building is one of the most famous and first ever building here in Dubai. Check Google and you will know the story about this building. It plays a significant choice lang.
الإمارات العربية المتحدة للصرافة. المحطة القادمة هي الخليج التجاري. The final
Kilik-kilik.
destination of
Kala mo
this train
kaputian.
is
Uy, nagugutom na ako. I'm really hungry right now. But since I'm gonna be taking you to a food trip today, I did not eat. So once again, everybody, this vlog is a full dedication because I haven't had anything since this morning. Of course, from the usual, the coffee. No worries.
المحطة
So ayun,
الأخيرة
tara.
لهذا القطار.
Gutom na ako, uy. Hoy, everybody, I'm not sure if I will be able to take you here, but just showing you this area because one of my first interviews happened here in this particular area. Ay, particular talaga naman. So this means a lot to me. Dito ko naranasan yung maiwanan ng bus, maligaw sa bus, sobrang init, hinahanap mo kung saan yung interview mong lugar, ganyan. Grabe tong Dubai, no? 5 years of my life. Grabe. You know what, low-key, I wanna work to sa mga luxurious cars. Ayan, exotic cars. Basta yung anything luxurious, gusto ko maging trabaho yan. Para makasakay pa ako ng... Kasi milig ako sa kotse eh. Ay, that's my another clinic. Where, another clinic ko yan. I don't know if you can see it from here, but that... Saan ba? But that is Burj Al Arab. The only 7-star hotel in the whole world. Ganon. Hindi siya kita, but I'm gonna take you there naman. We're going down na pala. Nice meeting you. O, galingan mo ha. Kailangan magka-race kayo ha. Alam mo yun yung gagawin ko. Secret. Huwag mo nang banggitan. Bye-bye. Nice meeting you po. Ingat. Ay, hi, we're here. So it's called On Passive. This is where we are going today. And we're gonna take the elevator. Let me show you. Again, tap it here. Check the balance. Pak! May pera. So ayun, once again, I'm gonna be taking you to Alcos Labor Community Market. That's where we are going today. I'm gonna take you to food trip. Affordable, tapos super masarap. So let's go. To everyone who's watching it, if you're free, please support the community labor market because I'm telling you as early as now, hindi kayo bibigoin ng food doon. It's really masarap and it's affordable. Or alam nyo, every time na I'm here, I'm always laughing. You know why? Because my first... Basta long time ago, like 5 years ago, may inattended akong interview dito. Biglang umulan! So the bus na we are gonna be... Ayan, makikita nyo, ayan yung RTA. The RTA, alam bang ibig sabihin nun? Basta yung Road Transport Authority. Parang ganun. Basta ayan. So this is where we are ganon. Tapos ito yung... Hala, wait. Where's the bus stop? There? Sorry. Nagbago na yung bus stop dati kasi right in front of...
We have to cross the road.
Really? Nagbago na? Okay. Yun lang. Ayan, everybody, this is a full experience, 40 degrees naglalakad. Masusunog pero magbablog pa din. To everybody who's watching this, it might just look, parang, maybe for you, etong street na to is just another street, but for me, every time na may interview ako, dito ako naghihintay, dito ko kinakain yung mga tinapay ko. Tapos umuupo din ako dyan, Pagpagod na ako, pagpiling ko, ano ba? So, upo-upo ako dito, nag-emote ako, sabi ko, ano ba? Is this the right decision? Yung feeling ko after interview, maybe I did not pass the interview. Marami dito, I think, pag Friday, mga nakaupo yan, nagkakainan din, mga Indiano, mga ibang lahi. Dahil join talaga ako, deadma. So, ganito kami sa Dubai. You really have to find the bus stop. Tapos, doon ka talaga sasakay. Because in the Philippines, right, they make like ikot-ikot lang and sometimes you can make para. But here, no. You really have to wait for the Imagine, kapag alas 12 ng hapon ka naghihintay, good luck. Kaya naalala ko talaga to, promise. Itong street na to, nako. Dami ko rin iyak-iyak moment dyan talaga. Super emote talaga ako dito sa Dubai kasi nga, the life in abroad is not easy. So please be kind sa mga nag-a-abroad. Okay, we are not here just to give you money. We are also here to survive and sustain ourselves. My God, only if you know the hard work, yung mga pang-aape sa amin dito, yung mga hirap namin dito. Only if you know that. But we will not tell you that because we know na maraming umaasa sa amin. Not me, but some people, a lot of people in abroad, di ba? Maraming umaasa sa kanila and they will not pass you the negative energy or yung mga pinagdadaanan nila. So please be kind sa mga nag-a-abroad, okay? Hindi lang kami nagbibigay ng pera. Hindi naman ako yun, that's my brother. But see, ang honest ko, di ba? But I know, I've seen it, to other people lang naman, di ba? I don't know if you can see it from here, but that's the Burj Khalifa. Di ba? Ang tari ng Burj Khalifa talaga. Wherever you go in Dubai, as long as you can see, I remember na. Parang nung nag-a-apply ako anywhere, as long as I can see the Burj Khalifa, hanggat nakikita ko yung metro station, feeling ko safe ako. Talagang feeling ko, kaya ko pang bumalik. Pero kapag hindi ko na nakikita yung metro station, hindi ko nakikita yung Burj Khalifa, sabi ko, hindi na ako makakabalik nito, tawag na ako agad din sa kuya ko. Sabi ko, baka maligaw ako, baka para lang alam mo. Eto yung bus. But ang layo naman ng pinag-anuhan niya, grabe naman yan siya. Uy, ang layo man, ang init. Habulin natin, baka. Hindi naman siguro tayo iwanan niya, pero tumakbo na rin tayo. Let's run. My God, I will show you the bus. I think this is gonna be the first ever experience na ilaride ko kayo sa bus. Okay. So, okay. Bus ano rin to? Bus experience na rin to. Let's go. O again ha, you always have to tap your NOL card. Red, taray. Hello. Oh, this is the NOL card. Oh, again, tap. The bus is busing. Hoy, meet my Thailand best friend. Thailander best friend, oh.
Hello, sawadika.
Again, ha, if it's your first time in Dubai, don't forget to tap your card kung ayaw mong ma-fine. Because sometimes the RTA, they do random checking. So, sometimes naman siguro unintentional, you just forgot to tap your card. But please, it's a responsibility. You cannot make that as an excuse. Oh, see the bus? So clean, right? Well-maintained, malinis, mabango yung aircon, ganyan. At wag mo palang kakalimutan, bawal uminom at kumain. So it's not allowed to eat and drink inside the bus or inside the metro station. So be careful about that. Kung hindi, bayad ka na naman ng fine. more payment. You know what's a good thing about Dubai transportation? The air conditioning. It will never fail you. Yes, it's super mega malamig always. Mabango at malinis ang AC. Hoy everybody, we are about to go down. Ay, nagpa-follow ako kay Kuya sa TikTok. Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Ah, really? See? I'm number one.
Oh.
Oh, see? Oh, see, that's me. Thank you, Kuya. Hi ka. Kuya, say hi. Nagpa-follow. Nakita ko nagti-TikTok eh. I saw him using TikTok. So, follow me. Ay, oh everybody, so welcome to Alcoz. Alcoz. I have, hindi naman a lot. Hoy, quick story time about Alcoz. Kasi nga, yung first ever experience ko dito, na may interview ako, bumagyo. And it was just like, my first few weeks in Dubai, tapos inabutan ako ng bagyo sa Alcoz. Ay, grabe. Eh, malayo pa naman to sa parang sa Kabihasnan. It's kind of far from the city. I don't know, basta malayo siya sa mga access sa metro station. So, pag dito ka inabutan ng bagyo, good luck talaga sa'yo. So, I will never ever forget this place. I got stranded here for good 6 hours just waiting for any kind of bus na dumaan because it was flooded. The flood is flooding. Hoy, the foods here is so mura, it's so affordable. And it's not just affordable, it's also masarap. So, I'm gonna give you a full tour of Alcoz, Dubai. This is what I call the other side of Dubai. It's also lively. Hoy, that is one good thing about Dubai. When it comes to food, hindi namin kayo bibigoin kahit saan kayo kumain. Hindi naman lahat, pero 90% of the places, kahit yung simpleng restaurant lang, umupo ka lang, masarap talaga. Especially the chicken. Sila lang yung may kaya niyan, yung spices na nababalance nila. Only them can do that. Only here we can do that. For I kind of miss this place because the last time before I left Dubai, I made sure na kumain ako sa labor market. But I'm not a vlogger pa during that time. So today, I'm a vlogger. I can finally show it. Yung reach ko, alam niyo naman, kahit pa paano the platform, it's platforming naman na. I hope na a lot of people will be able to watch this so they can see the community labor market. Once again, to all Dubaians. Basta yung mga nakatira sa Dubai, oy, magpunta kayo sa labor market, go to labor market, support it because it's affordable and it's masarap once again. Uy, you see the food is foodening. Hala, ang sarap. Gutom na talaga ako. Hoy everybody, again please, if you're new to my channel or if you've been watching me, please make sure that you are please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button on because I was checking my analytics and YouTube. A lot of you who's watching me are not subscribed, so subscribe, oy. Mag-subscribe naman kayo, oy. And I would like to thank my best friend for today's video. Hoy, full dedication yan. Inaatake yan ng gout for today's video. Nag-600 mg pain reliever yan just to be with me. O, diba? That's what you call a best friend. Kuya, na-excite ako. Oh my God. The place is exciting. I'm so excited to taste the food because it's foodening. Just in case lang naman, if you see something like this, that means that's the bus stop. Oh. So to those who wants to come in Dubai or planning or, who's been dreaming, anong tawag doon? Basta yung dream yung pumunta ng Dubai. See, just so you know lang, para alam nyo na. Hoy, yun na-miss ko to. Pakistan talaga. Maraming ganyaan. Pak, o, kala mo India lang. Hi, parang gusto ko yung pansit na kinakain niya. Nagutom ako sa pansit ni Kuya. Ang sarap nung kain niya. Saan tayo, ma? Ay, talaga ba? Hoy, wait lang. Seryoso ka? Okay, go. Welcome to the other side of Dubai. Marami talagang tao dito. You're really gonna see like a lot of people here because again, just like what I told you, this is the accommodation area of the whole Dubai. Buhanginan. Hoy, grabe ang init sa Dubai at the moment. Whew. Ano, wait lang, but ano tong pila na to? What's the pila about?
Sahod na.
Sahod na. Okay. Ang taray. Ano sinabi ko? Just so you know lang kung gano'ng kainit dito, it's 37 or 35. Winawalk ko lang kayo. Na-amazing ako, sorry, because it's been a while then since I was here. And may pawis. Yeah, I need to buy also. Wait lang, they have water here ba? Hoyo, sample supermarket dito sa sa Alcuz. Talagang grabe. Ang dami talagang food, no? Ang saya, no? Only in Dubai, na kahit 40 degrees, nagkikrave ako sa chai. I don't know why. Bakit ba? Chai is life. Kaya kong iwanan ng lahat. Pero hindi ang chai. Wait, gutom na talaga ako, promise. Kuya, only 1 dirham, ha? Hello po. Thank you po.
Bro, chai? Yung darang pa po.
Lasing si Kuya. May alak. Bumili na talaga ako. I'm so gutom na, hindi ko na talaga kaya. Sorry naman. 1 dirham. Ang dami kasing gulay. May favorite yung gulay, di ba? So, try natin. So delicious, but I cannot eat a lot because I'm gonna take you to a food trip today. That's the community labor market. Finally, we arrived. Ay, seryoso talaga. The food here is foodening. It's delicious. Masarap siya. It's a must try. Kahit nasusunog ako, my God, at the moment. Woo! Laban to for the vlogging. Ang init. Yung pinipilit mo mag-vlog kahit sobrang init, it's okay for you guys, I will do it. We're gonna make the wet. Wait lang, we don't wanna die. Hoy, yung tawid skills ko, bumababa na siya. Kasi diba, it's been a while since nagtatravel ako sa mga sa mga India, mga ganoon. So, nababawasan na yung skill. Yung tawid takot ko, bumabalik na naman siya. Hoy, ito na to! I'm so excited to show this kasi I'm so excited to eat na rin talaga. Promise. I'm so gutom na rin. So, ayan na. Hoy, welcome to, Alcuz Labor Community Market. Labor Community Market. Let's go. Let's do it. Ay, bakit parang mas maayos na siya? Hoy, eto na. Gutom na. Oh my God. Eto na to. This is it. Hoy, wait, I'll show you. It's so mura lang, promise. Hala. Gutom na agad. Ala, na-excite ako. Hello. Assalamualaikum. Hoy, grabe oh. Look. Smile siya. Ano rin to? Camera ready rin to oh. Hello. Hala. What's that?
Chicken bone.
Same?
Yes, ready me.
Okay, same. Same lang yan. Later na kasi mabubusog ako agad eh. Hi everybody, once again, welcome to Labor Community Market here in Alcuz, Dubai. The food is so mura and masarap. Excited na excited. Ang ganda-ganda na ng labor market. The last time that I was here, they still don't have, hindi pa to bato, ano lang to, sand. Ina-expect ko ganun. Ano daw?
You tried out first.
Ay, okay. Hoy, I told you, this is 2 dirhams. Konti-konti lang kasi marami tayong kakainin. Hoy everybody, sorry naman. Unfortunately, I'm not sure but it's not allowed daw to film inside. So, ayan, namili na lang kami. Tapos we're just gonna eat it somewhere na lang. But we're still gonna take you somewhere na na masarap. Hoy, nasad naman ako. Bawal daw mag-video doon. Ang dami pa naman pwedeng ipakita. But everybody, that's it. Ayun na yun. So, namili na lang ako ng mga pwede. Tapos kami. So, ayun na yun. Then we're gonna eat a rice somewhere. Hoy, nalungkot man ako. Bawal daw yung mag-video sa loob. We need to get permission. Tapos, walang makapagbigay ng information kung saan ba kukuhanin. Turo lang sila ng turo. Na-disappoint. Turo na-disappoint. Kaya mo na. Hindi ako makaget over. Nalulungkot ako. And the thing is that no one can provide us. Turo lang sila, the white building, the white building. That's where you get the license and permission. So, but we have to respect that, okay? But I'm just sad, but I'm just telling you. I'm just letting you know. But sir, we're still gonna eat food, don't worry. I'm still gonna take you to food trip. With all of this na I bought, I'm just gonna tell you like what we bought. See the place? Dito kami. I'm still gonna take you to food trip. I told you. Ay, may pa-opening ng door. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. We're gonna go to second floor daw because here it's AC. It's air conditioned. Where in Taki Peshawar?
Peshawar.
Namak Mandi?
Never mind.
I was there. I was in Namak Mandi.
Where are you, bro?
Namak Mandi.
You go.
Yeah, I show you.
Very nice.
Yeah. I will show you later. Okay. Thank you. Ay, sumali ka na talaga sa vlog. Sumali na siya sa vlog. What's your name?
Muhammad Arif.
Say hi to them.
Hello.
Hello. Sumali na siya sa vlog ko. Ayan na yung food. Oh, hala, ang saya. Thank you. Ang saya, ang sarap. You have raita?
Yes, here.
Okay, right. Hoy, ang saya. Ay, gusto mo talaga sumali. Gusto niya talagang sumali. Oh, tara na, sumama ka na.
Give me that one.
Hindi ba nagkatrabaho to dito?
You're the boss here.
You're the boss, Darbab.
Yeah. Arba.
Sumali na talaga siya. Hoy, laro. Apir mo muna, apir ka muna. Sumali na sa vlog ko to. Laro si Kuya, sumama sa vlog. No, it's okay. Thank you. Just here. Oh, you also eat. Come eat with us.
You also eat.
Yeah, you can eat. It's okay.
No. Bring plate. One more plate.
Yeah, eat with us. It's okay. Hi, this is the Muton Pulao. Look. Wala, tingnan nyo. How much is this?
This one 10 dirham.
Oh, hoy, 10 dirham lang to.
I told you, that's what I told you.
Hoy, 10 dirham lang to. That chicken biryani.
10 dirham.
Ay!
One kharis.
What is this?
Kharis. Free.
Free.
Sweet
This
rice.
one I like. This is the sweet rice. So if you're nauumay na and after you eat, you can eat this. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's good. Hoy, ito yung mga binili namin sa Alcos, sa labor market. Ayan, buti meron pa. I don't know how to call this, but I bought it also in labor. It's like lited, but it's masarap. The pansit na binalot.
It's noodles.
The noodles is noodles. Ito naman, huy, hala. Ang bongga. O tara, let's eat na. Let's go. Ang saya. Palakpak din siya. Pero mo ulit. Nilalaro mo ako. Oh, let's eat na. You can try. Eat.
No, may.
Yeah, yala. Eat. Grabe, ang sarap.
Oh, di ba? Ang sarap ng chicken, oh.
Pumili tayo marami.
Hindi ko pa masarap ba? Pero masarap dito.
Ang sarap. Hindi lang, masarap talaga. Inimin nila yung raita. Huwag nang gawing sabaw. Sumama sa vlog. Good. Eat na.
No, already finished.
Just try. Only one. Egg. Sure ka? Okay.
Sarap. Masarap.
This is so good. Malamig ba yan, ma? Ayoko nang hindi na siya malamig.
I told you, but you didn't listen to my tool.
Grabe, ang sarap.
My friend, join us. This one good. Get your plate.
Main ka na. Eat.
No, may finish already.
Wala.
Oh, wala. Thank you. Already finished.
Okay. Sali ka lang talaga sa vlog. Sumali talaga sa vlog.
You finish? You next come here.
Chai, yeah.
Don't come up. Okay.
Okay, mag-work ka na.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Ang sarap. Now, I know the reason why hindi tayo nakapag-vlog inside because we're meant to go here. Di ba the last time gustong-gusto mo rin ako invite din dito? O, buti pumunta na tayo ngayon. Grabe, ang sarap. Ang lambot. Hindi ko alam kung paano i-explain sa inyo to, but once again, I'm gonna tell you. Huy, malambot yan. Grabe, ang sarap. 10 dirham, tignan mo naman. Huy. Grabe oh. I'm gonna show you again the food mas malapitan. See? This is lited. Manghang to eh. Did you try the pancit? Masarap. The pancit na binahalot, pero mas... Hoy, this is only 3 dirhams. Look.
Kaya nga, walang halong EMEA, pero... Stress lang. Sarap. Tikman mo.
Hoy, this is 3 dirhams. Let's try.
How was it?
Pasok. Lagyan mo lang ng itlog, no? Grabe, ang sarap nito.
Di ba? Anong lasa? Tikman ko nga yung moto.
Baka may gout ka, hindi ka na nga makalakad eh.
Yung kanin lang naman, hindi naman yung ano.
Hello. Can I try? Yeah, I'll try. Nakingin ng Mountain Dew, bakit?
Napakabahay!
Where are you from? Oh, in Pakistan, this is normal.
Where are you from? Manila,
The Philippines, Manila. Huwag kang kumain ng muton, B.
Bakit?
Magagalit.
Hindi na masakit yung paa ko.
Hindi. Hoy, nangingi ako ng Mountain Dew. Hello.
Hi, I am from Pakistan, Peshawar. How are you
Where in
guys?
Peshawar?
Peshawar.
Where?
Sawabi.
Swabi?
Sawat, you know?
Sawad? Ah, okay.
No one, everyone not from Namak Mandi.
Nagdahan-dahan lang ako sa food kasi ayoko mabusog. Kasi ang sarap eh.
Masarap yung
Sarap!
Sabi ko
Sige naman yung muton.
How long you living here in UAE?
5 years.
5 years.
Hoy, sa Pakistan, ganito rin kami. After namin kumain, nakahilata rin kami ng ganyan. I miss Pakistan so much. Grabe na for 10 dirhams. Paano mo ito uubusin? Pang-apat na araw ko to. 1. Oo. Nabubusog na ako. Grabe. Ayoko na. Ang dami pang kakainin. Wait lang. Sarap na sarap ako sa muton. Okay, we're gonna try... vloggeries. We're gonna try this again. This is so masarap. Ang sarap nito. Oh my God, what?
oh my God, the lasa.
It brings back what?
It brings back memories here in Alps.
Ano to? Ayoko nito. I don't like that. Ito yung matamis na kanin. Pampawala umay. Yung chicken, sa first stop ko kanina sa labor market, ayun yung masarap. Medyo maalat. It's a bit salty but it's still delicious. Masarap, grabe.
Kumain ka na. Kunyari ikaw si Cleopatra, kumakain ka, pinabay pa yan.
Nike, nagpaparinig, baka naman. Nike! Laluluma na yung bag ko, baka na... Nike, baka naman, naluluma na yung bag. Baka naman may kasunod na yan. Thank you for joining. Okay, everybody, that's gonna be it. Again, once again, I'm so sorry if I was not able to take you inside the labor community market because as per the security, it is not allowed to film using my camera and even the phone. So, let's respect that. But I'm glad that I was able to take you here. I'm happy that we were able to do that. So, ayun. I hope nag-enjoy pa rin ka. So, thank you daw for joining.
Para nabusog namin kayo.
Ay, alam ko, marami na naman magkikrave nito. So, to all those who's watching me, I know that I think a lot of stores naman na in Quezon City, restaurant, they have biryani naman na. So, if you want to try something authentic, I think you can just find something on the internet. I think mostly Quezon City. So, ayun. Again, thank you for watching. This is Kate Torero. Whatever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope that you're having a great day. If not, always remember that tomorrow is another day. Again, from Dubai, goodbye. Alcos. May financer pala ako. Go, thank you. Okay. Thank you. Shukriya. No, accept the payment, Arbab.
Oh, but next time that we will eat here, we'll gonna pay, okay?
Ay, ayaw niya pagbayarin kami. Sure? Oh, thank you. Oh, see? That's the hospitality of Pakistanis. Thank you. Oh, I remember this. Al-Ansap. Hindi ako pinagbayad. I remember this restaurant. Hindi pinagbayad si Kay Toretto. Thank you again. Oh, remember this, ha? Hoy, don't forget this restaurant. Hoy, but truly, it's masarap. Look, wait, let's show because they're mabait. This is the restaurant, Al-Ansap Kitchen. 10 dirhams. Ang dami talaga, sobra, seryoso. Ay, bonus clip. Hoy, na-touch naman ako, hindi ako pinagbayad. I'm so happy. Hindi ako pinagbayad. I'm glad. That's the true essence of mga Pakistanis. That's true. The treatment that I get from Pakistani is too much. Yes. They're so mabait talaga. Hoy, I'm happy. Diba? Kahit yung pang metro lang nabawi. Hello. Ay, ganito yung mga malaliit na... This is how the small grocery looks like here in Alcos. This how much?
$1.
Okay. Shukriya. Thank you.
Bye-bye. See you.
Hello. Where are you from?
Kerala.
Kerala. Okay. Hi, everybody. Ano to? Additional bonus clip to. We're looking for the best chai here in Alcos. So, ayun. Naghahanap kami ng chai at the moment. Hindi ko talaga kaya ng walang chai. Sorry naman. So, ayun. Let's look. Kailangan yung English ko minsan. Busog pa to, ha, partida. Busog yan, pero yung English hindi gumagana. So, we're gonna look for a chai and then after that, we're gonna head home. So, ayun. Rupa, may ikaw ba yan? Hoy, pakita natin ng very light yung nilalakaran namin at the moment. Daming tao bigla, no? Nagulat ako. Kaya na, di ba, there's not a lot of people, but now the people is peopling. Oh my gosh. It feels like I'm walking in Pakistan or in India. Ano yun? Bingo?
They have promotion inside the school.
Really? Para tayo nasa India, no? Namiss ko tuloy, ang saya. Hi everybody, finally at last. Okay ba yung camera? Wait lang. Kinakabahan ako, baka tumaob siya. Hi everybody, finally at last, nakahanap na kami ng pagchachayan. Still dito pa rin sa Alcos. So, ayun. Again, another bonus clip. Sobrang daming bonus clip na nito, but let's go, let's do it. Last stop, chai, and then end na talaga tong vlog na to. Hello, you wanna say hi?
Good.
Say hi, say hi.
Oh, yeah.
Say hi.
It's Egyptian. This is good.
What's your name? Say hi.
Chico.
Come near.
Shakir.
Hello.
Hello. Welcome to Dubai.
Welcome to Dubai. Thank you. Nice meeting you. Hoy, ito na to. I told you, hindi tayo magpapaawat. Hoy, I told you the chai is chaiing. I told you we're not gonna finish this day without drinking my favorite chai. Oh, everybody, let's go. Let's try the chai. My favorite chai. Pwede na ako maging siguro yung next job ko, pwede na siyang maging parang, alam mo yung chai, taster. Di ba may wine taster? Ako parang sa chai, nadidistinguish ko na yung pagkakaiba-iba ng chai. Ay, grabe. I don't know. Everybody comment down below nga where you can find a good chai in the Philippines because I don't know. Because I don't know. But I'm planning to look for one once I am back. Sarap. Uy, chai! Do you know any blogger who gets excited whenever they drink chai? I know me, myself. I bought myself. Dito ko siya binili. It's okay you say hi? Oh, okay. Oh, mag-hi daw sila. Oh. Hello. Where are you from? Ha? Ha? India. India. Okay. So, this is Indian chai. Indian chai ito. Masarap siya. Never kayong bibiguin ng chai. Kung hindi nyo alam, the best time to drink chai is anytime. Ang sarap, grab. Ay. Nagulat, mag-ay ka na. Nagulat naman ako sa kanya. Uy, bigla siya sumusulpot sa likod. Kung di pa ako tumingin sa background, hindi ko siya makita. Uy, huy. Ang sarap, grabe. Oh, chai. The chai is chaiing. Where are you from? Mag-ay ka na.
Pakistan.
Where in Pakistan?
Pakistan and Karachi.
Karachi. Okay. Punjab, yeah?
No, Punjabi no.
Ay, iba pa yun?
Sindhi.
Ha?
Sindhi.
Sindhi. Okay. Karachi is Sindhi. Okay. Aapka naam kya hai?
Wasim Ahmad.
Wasim. Say hello to Pakistan.
Yes.
Hello.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oy, ayun na yun everybody. Sana na-enjoy nyo tong vlogging. Daming tao dito. Tong vlogging natin for today's video. And we're not